Welcome back to another property tour. My name is Ahmad Romero, listing specialist with eXp Realty from Team Absolute Top Dollar. Today's property is located at 6110 Southwest 41st Place in the beautiful city of Davie. Now this property features 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, impact windows throughout, fully renovated in the inside, and a massive yard. Let's go take a look. Wait until you see the inside of this house. This house is so pretty. I mean, the owners did a phenomenal job renovating the entire inside of the house. Now, just to start with, guys, right now we're standing right here in the living room, okay? You have the beautiful tile slate throughout the whole entire house, which is a really nice touch, by the way. This is the living room, like I mentioned. You also have here the little dining room section. Now look at this kitchen. This kitchen has been fully updated. As you can see, you have the white kitchen cabinets, beautiful gray quartz countertop. And what I love most about this kitchen, aside from everything else, is the backsplash. You have this nice clear glass right there. It has such a great color combination throughout the house with the gray slate tile flooring, beautiful gray countertops that kind of blends in. They did a really good job as far as color coordinating their entire house. LG stainless steel appliances, okay? That's right, LG, life is good. All the ceiling fans and all the light fixtures, they updated them. So it gives you that modern vibe, you know what I mean? That modern feel. I mean, this house is a turnkey ready house to walk into and just start living your life. The fully renovated bathrooms, as you can see right there, you got the walk-in shower. Again, the color scheme that they selected is phenomenal. They actually removed all the popcorn from the ceilings. I mean, they really did a great job with the house. They paid attention to the details. You also have here the first bedroom right here. They did a great job in the rooms as well. You know, you have the textured walls, and again, you have the impact windows throughout the entire house. This is their daughter's bedroom, as you can see. You know, it's really pretty, okay? Got a little girly touch to it. I love it. Again, you have the impact windows right there. You also have the wood blinds, just like all the other rooms. And again, they did a great job with the updating the ceiling fans. Again, guys, this house, when you walk into it, it feels so cozy. It feels like home, you know, to be honest with you. This is the master suite, the master bedroom. All right, look how beautiful this bedroom is. Really beautiful flooring. And you also have here the master bathroom, walk-in shower, fully updated. And of course, we have our friend here, okay? She's not for sale, by the way, okay? In today's market, everyone's looking for a house with a nice sized yard. And guess what? It doesn't exist. These houses in this area, they all have nice sized backyards. So that alone is priceless. It's worth a lot, okay, guys? I'm gonna walk you outside, I'm gonna show you, but before we go outside, I also wanna talk about the area we're in. Right here, we're right by the Turnpike. You're like literally 2 minutes away from the Hard Rock Casino, so if you're the betting person, place your bet on this house, because this house is yours. Let's take a look at this yard. Look how big this yard is, okay? You have a nice driveway, massive driveway. You can park a bunch of cars. You could even go ahead and just, you know, build your own circular driveway if you like. And you have all this space. Check this out, guys. Isn't this amazing? Guys, I'm telling you, when you're looking for a home, you gotta find a home with a backyard. And for the price that we're selling this house with this size yard, it's a no-brainer, people. This property is located at 6110 Southwest 41st Place in the beautiful city of Davie. My name is Ahmad Romero. I am the listing specialist with eXp Realty from Team Absolute Top Dollar. If you're looking to buy, sell, or rent, invest, give me a call. We're ready. We're standing by. We got people waiting on the phone, standing by. We're here to help you guys. I appreciate you coming on this property tour with me. I'll see you at the next one. Later.